Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Vijay. I am going to share my life experience that is roaming around a keyword. The word I will tell you after the story, and I am assuring you that those words will work as a motivational factor for you. And also, you can use this word in your life to achieve your goals. So, my PGDM journey started in the August month last year. PGDM is known as the roller coaster ride, and it is going as people say. It was very exciting for me because everything was going to be new for me. These are there. There are some things that are totally new for me, like PPT making, giving presentations, and speaking in English. These things are quite useful things in the PGDM because these are the part of our day-to-day schedule. And so I decided to learn these skills. In my initial presentation, I was stuck in PPT making because I did not know how to make a good PPT. But after making some PPTs, I got familiar with some tools. And the most important things, this is also a matter of concern for maximum number of people, that is fluent speaking in English. I never did a course for English speaking, and my surrounding was also in Hindi throughout my birth. I never got an environment where I could speak in English. In my PGDM, all lectures were in English. My books were also in English. It was very difficult for me to get familiar with this environment, but I never stepped back, and I decided to overcome this fear in my initial presentation. I was very fearful that I would not speak in front of my batchmates, but I took pieces of advice from my faculties that how can I become confident while speaking. So I got advice and I started learning vocab initially, and it was very boring, but I continued it. I was learning daily 30 vocabs so that I can become good at English before my end term exams. Along with this, I started listening English music and watching movies with subtitles. I was also advised that first you have to watch English video with Indian accent because it was very difficult for you to understand a foreign accent initially. I I did not understand the lyrics and dialogues initially, but I never stopped it because I knew that this is the only way that can help me to good at it. And along with this, I started reading newspaper. Also, initially, I was getting bored in few minutes, and I was taking too much time to complete the article. But after 20 days, I was seeing improvement in myself, and now I can read a complete newspaper in 15 minutes. I was practicing speaking in front of mirror also. My body language was not so good initially, and so I was very nervous while speaking. I took some tutorials from YouTube also about body texture while presentation, and these courses were quite long that I decided to whenever our team was presenting a project, I also took part in it so that I could habitual in speaking. After some presentation, I got feedback from my batchmate that you are doing good and you have become better than earlier. After 2 or 3 months, I became comfortable with speaking, and after that, I was taking part in activities to boost my progress. Now I am very confident while speaking, and I have no fear of English speaking. So this story surround two words that are patience and perseverance. So how patience would help me to overcome the fear. When I started my journey to learn English, I knew that these goals is not a one day goal that I can achieve by practicing for few hours and I will be good. So I have to give time to every step, and I have to measure my everyday effort. I made myself patient so that I can do my task with relaxed mind. Otherwise, it would be very hectic for me, and I would not be able to focus on my goal. So, firstly, also you must have had the patience to shape your talent and inborn abilities into real achievements. To master any art or to enhance your talent, you need to make a continuous effort for a long time. To achieve your dreams, you must have the zeal to overcome challenges, and the power to overcome roadblocks comes only from patience. And while desiring to achieve your dreams, you might get intimidated by the huge task ahead to achieve it. Divide your task into smaller steps and set a schedule to achieve those steps. It will help you develop patience and achieve your dream into organized way. If things are not going the way you want them to, instead of getting frustrated, you must learn to be patient, and you need to see things and situation in a positive light to make life happier. And to get those positivity, you need to be patient. If you find any situation challenging and find it difficulty to bear, try to reframe the situation and try to see its positive side. How the perseverance word helped me. I made a timetable to do these extra things to become fluent in English, because PGDM is also hectic and it was very difficult to get time for these extra things initially. I used to miss one or two things in my English speaking, and it was it was very demotivating for me because I was not able to complete all tasks, but I never stepped down. Then I decided not to do all things in a single day. So, from what I did focus only one task, and when I was and when I was familiar with one task, then I added more tasks in a day. By doing this, I was able to do more tasks than earlier. My perseverance skill was very helpful for me to achieve my goals. But this word can help you also, and you can also be perceived by following some points. First is have clarity with your goal. Remove self doubt, stick to your routine, and face the reality, and trust your feelings. If you have faced a little defeat, don't feel that you have lost everything and cannot be a winner. Keep perseverance in your attitude and don't give up. Keep these things in your mind that you will bounce back and try again. And no matter how you will win your goal, remember one thing: no one can meet to bigger success unless going through a defeats. Learn from those previous mistakes and work harder to achieve your destination. Perseverance is the only key that can open the lock of your disappointment, that can convert your defeats into victories. If you perseverance, and no hurdle can keep you down for a long time. So it was my story, and I hope it will be helpful for you. So thank you the viewers for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Thank you.